Hello viewers, this Too Fast here. Check out this brand new dual 10-inch LCD screen DVD system I just installed in my vehicle. This system is completely portable. You can use it inside or outside the vehicle. And installation is very simple. If you want to learn more about it, stay tuned. Let me show you what you get with this portable dual 10-inch screen DVD player. In this box, you get a remote control, cigarette lighter power cord, batteries, AC power adapter, Ethernet cable, and 2 headrest straps. Let's have a quick look at these two units. Now they look about the same, but this one at the top has a DVD player. So you can open this up and put your DVD movie right in here. Now this second unit at the bottom does not have a DVD player. So this top unit is your master unit and the bottom unit is your slave unit. And whatever you're watching with this top unit will be displayed on this bottom unit. On the unit with the DVD player, on the left side you have the volume down, volume up, and the stop button. On the right side you have the track forward, track back, play and pause button. There's speakers on both sides. At the bottom right hand corner is an infrared sensor for the remote control. On this side you have this RJ45 connector. Now this is not for internet. Use this port to connect this monitor to the other monitor using the included Ethernet cable. This will give you the AV output to the second monitor. Next to it is a headphone jack. Over here is the SD memory card slot, USB port, and the DC 12 volt input. At the top is the on-off switch. Here's a look at the back. Now there is a flip out stand you can use. Here's a look at the other unit. On the left side you have the volume down, volume up, and the mute button. On the right side you have the up select, down select, and the menu button. 2 speakers on the side. On this side you have the headphone jack. Next to it is the RJ45 connector for AV in. Over here is the on off switch. On the back you also have this flip out stand. Now inside the master main unit there is a 2700 milliamp hour lithium-ion rechargeable battery. And if you have the Ethernet cable connected to the second monitor, it will supply power to the second monitor. Now to charge an internal battery, you can either use a DC 12 volt cigarette lighter power adapter or use the AC power adapter. If you're using just the main master unit, it can operate the unit for 5 hours. If you have a second monitor connected, then it can operate both monitors for about 2.5 hours. Here I'll plug the power connector to the master unit. Using the Ethernet cable, I'll connect the two units together. I'll power on both units. I'll put a DVD in. Now you can use the remote control to change the volume and track. Also use the buttons on the side. Now one thing I want to mention is this unit only plays regular DVD. It does not play Blu-ray disc. As you can see, the color is very good. One very important feature on this unit is it will remember where you left off in the movie if you turn off the power. So I'm going to do that right now. Turn it back on. Last memory, so it picks up where you left off. Also, if I turn off the master unit, the other unit will turn off automatically, which is very nice. Let's take it to the vehicle and I'll show you how to install it onto the headrest. To install the unit onto the headrest, use the included Velcro strap that you see right here. Loop it on both sides. Place a monitor onto the headrest and then bring the strap to the front. Now you can put the strap around the headrest and pull it tight, but it will pinch the side of the headrest. Another option is to raise your headrest a little bit. is to wrap it around the 2 metal posts. And here's a look at the unit installed. Here I'm installing the other monitor. I want to show you how I'm looping the strap. Pull this tight and then feed the remaining strap back into this loop. Connect the Ethernet cable. Connect the power cable. You can tuck the cable on the back cover right here. Now for this other monitor, I'm running the cable right here. Plug the power adapter into your accessory port. Here's a look at the 2 monitors installed. Here's a look at the monitors at night.
Around here. And people said that the touch of their tufts was softer than anything, even silk. And they smelled.
Here I'll plug in my thumb drive into the USB port. On the remote control, select DVD USB selection. Here's a list of all the files found on the USB drive. Use a remote control to navigate. Right now you're listening to the MP3 file. Now it's also played on the other unit. You can also look at pictures. Now one thing to note, this unit only has codec for certain video files, so it supports AVI, DivX, VOB, FLV, MPEG, and DAT videos. However, it does not have the codec for MPEG-4 videos. Overall, this dual 10-inch DVD system is very good. Installation is very easy. You have one cable for power and another cable to connect the 2 monitors together. The display is nice and bright with good contrast. The speakers work very well. It's nice and loud, where many other units on the market aren't very loud. You do have the option to use headphone if you want. Now it does not support infrared headphones, so keep that in mind. With the internal rechargeable battery, this unit is truly portable. You can run the main unit on its own, or you can connect the second monitor to it and run both display at the same time. With a 5-hour runtime, you can use this in your vehicle or in a hotel or even out at a campsite. Now at the time of doing this review, you can get this on Amazon for $160, which is a good price point. Considering if you were to install an aftermarket system in your vehicle or buy one from the factory, it'll cost anywhere from $500 to over $1,000. If you're looking for something like this for you and your family, check out the link I'll include in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.